In this lesson, we want to talk about all-in-one mode. This is the general situation that we don't need to choose what we want to do before. We just selecting the desired area and then we can decide what we want to do. You want to capture an image by clicking on this button. And again, select the desired area, and you want to video recording. Okay. Or you can use the panoramic mode for maps and big images. Okay. Back to the software. Its settings are also as before. Just click this arrow to open it. Here we can select the type of selection mode as before, but it's just 3 selection modes. The region is better. Only the setting in the time delay section have one mode. It is very simplified. Just 5-second delay. You can turn on the 5-second delay. This is all-in-one mode, very easy and simplified. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.